Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through different ways that you can share your videos, so that way you can share your game highlights, ratings, and stats with your friends. So here's what I'm going to cover today. I'm going to walk through sharing videos from your video library, sharing videos through player tagging, and sharing individual rallies or shots through Shot Explorer. So let's get started. Within my video library, you can see that I have a single video, as well as a folder with a couple different videos in it. So let's take a look at the single video first. In order to share it, I can select the bubble dot menu and select copy link. This will make it easy to share with friends via text or email. If you'd like to share multiple videos at once, we can do that through folder sharing. In my folder, you can see that I have two different videos here. We can still choose to share a single video, or I can click on the folder sharing icon and click the sharing toggle to make this folder public. Now that it's enabled, I can choose copy link for easy sharing. If you'd ever like to stop sharing the folder, we can click the same folder sharing icon, click the sharing toggle again, and that will make the folder private. Anyone who previously had access to this folder will no longer be able to access it. Next, let's walk through sharing a video through player tagging. When you open a video that you just uploaded, a player tagging modal will appear. Here, it's going to ask you to select yourself from 2 to 4 players that were in the match. If you aren't in this match, you can go ahead and select I'm not in this video to continue. However, for this tutorial, I'm going to select myself as player 1. Next, it's going to ask you to tag the remaining players. Here, I can add someone by their name and email if I have it, or I can select someone from my recently tagged players list. We'll go ahead and name this one John Doe and select add. Whenever you add someone's email address, it will send them a link to the video, as well as add the video to their account. Finally, let's take a look at how to share rallies and shots through Shot Explorer. Let's say you just found an awesome shot that your teammate made that you want to share with them. You can easily share that shot by clicking on the bubble dot menu and select copy link to shot. Now you can easily share it through text or email. You can also do this with rallies. Just find the rally that you would like to share, click the bubble dot menu, and select copy link to rally. Now that I've shown you a few different ways that you can share your matches, you're all set to start sharing. As always, if you run into any issues, please feel free to reach out to our support team, as we're always happy to help. Happy pickling!